A very good day, students. In this class, we studied about the other attribute of table tag, that is cell padding and cell padding. Okay, so student, in most of the website, in their different web pages, there were different table, and in that table we see that the space between the cell wall and cell content and the space between the cell. Okay, as you know that intersection of row and column is called cell. So students, in this video we learn about how to use cell padding and cell spacing, and after running the program we see what changes display on the screen. So students, first is as a structure of HTML web page, that is HTML head. In title there is table attribute. You use another text according to your web page. Head section close. In body tag there is one attribute, BG color is equal to sky blue. Now H1, that is highest heading tag, align equal to center, and the heading is cell padding and cell padding. Heading tag close. 2BR tag use here for making space. Now we create table. So open the table tag, and inside the table tag here is different attribute, that is border is equal to 4, जो कि आपके टेबल का बॉर्डर होगा. सेल स्पेसिंग इज इक्वल टू 5. सेल स्पेसिंग दैट मीन्स स्पेस बिटवीन द सेल. सेल पैडिंग इज इक्वल टू 10, दैट इज द स्पेस बिटवीन द सेल वॉल एंड सेल कंटेंट. जो सेल का आपका वॉल होगा और जो सेल का जो कंटेंट है उसके बीच के जो स्पेस होंगे उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, सेल पैडिंग. अलाइन इक्वल टू सेंटर. Border color equal to white, and after this BG color is equal to red. Okay, so start to create first row, and in first row there were 3 column. Okay, so 3 TD used here and TR tag close. Okay, now in second row that TR open, and there were 3 column and there were 3 TD here. Okay, again in third row there were 3 column, and for that there were 3 TD. Okay, and inside TD there is align attribute used here. Okay, align में आपका वैल्यू क्या दिया हुआ है, सेंटर. That means कि what you have to write in column that align center. Okay, and here is X, Y, Z, A, B, C and P, Q are written. You write your text according to your choice. Now TR tag close, table tag close, body close and HTML close. So student, this way you have to use different attribute of table tag, and you have to use according to your web page HR tag, font tag, paragraph tag before table or after the table. Okay, so when we run this program, refresh once again. Page display this way, and on the title bar there is table attribute, that is title of your web page, and here is your heading, cell padding and cell spacing and cell padding. And student, see here that cell spacing, that means space between the cell. Okay, so X, Y, Z, A, B, C, P, Q, R. Okay, the text written inside the cell. Okay, तो जो आपका सेल के बीच का जो स्पेस है वो आपका क्या है, सेल स्पेसिंग. एंड सेल पैडिंग आपका क्या है, सेल कंटेंट एंड सेल वॉल. ओके, दैट मीन्स कि X रिटन हियर एंड X दिस इज द सेल वॉल. ओके, सो ये जो स्पेस आपको दिख रहा है दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ सेल पैडिंग. ओके, so student, this way you have to use cell spacing and cell padding attribute in your web page.